What's up? Just now leaving O'Reilly, and today I will be replacing my rear window switch for my 2011 Chevy Suburban. This is the old one. It would not go up. It would only let you let the window down. And I'm going to show you guys how to replace this one here. Take this little gadget, you slide it up, pop out, one clip, two clip, you see it right there. Just pop it out. Right now it goes down. Will not let the window up. Will not let it up. Gonna be a little clip right here. Press it in. Take it off. Might be a little hard, but you gotta pop these out. The little swivels. Now I'm about to put the new one in. Up, down, 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 up. And that is how you replace a rear window switch for 2011 Chevy Suburban. Just put the hardware back. Peace. Until next time.